Hello, John Talley here with Partzilla.com, and this is How Often Should I? How often should I change my oil? Well, that's a bit of a loaded question. It really determines on your machine and how you use it. Now, any type of high performance application, whether it be on a road track or a dirt track, really every weekend that you go out there for a track day, you're going to need to go ahead and change your oil. Now, does that apply for your street machine when you're riding it every day? Certainly not. I mean, you want to get a lot more than just a few hundred miles out of an oil change. Now, as far as utility vehicles go, if you're just out riding around the farm or your backyard, it's really not that important. But if you're pulling a heavy load of any type all day long, you need to do it more often than they would suggest in the owner's manual. Because let's face it, oil and filters, they are cheap, and going in and having to repair an engine that's been overworked after the oil is broken down, well, that gets very expensive. In my humble opinion, you need to take whatever the manufacturer suggests. Let's say it's 10,000 miles, just using a number. I would reduce that by 25%. So I'd be changing my oil on a regular basis at 7,500 miles. Now, granted, I just used a large number where we could do easy math, but you get the meaning. Now, by changing your oil more frequently, trust me, I've seen it on several machines. When you pull apart that engine, it's gonna look like it just got assembled. And if you push it all the way and then a little bit further, you're gonna be faced with sludge and that brown buildup of tarnish that gets on everything. And is that destructive to your engine? It can be if you let it go too far, but by changing your oil more frequently, you eliminate that possibility.